somebody's got a hot radio, quad stream.
Taken.
Taken, yeah. It's your station, it is.
Find a good fighting position. Hey guys, don't push up towards the city.
Yeah, don't go past the road.
No, we're just controlling the road. That's that.
And clear. Just wait for the other part of our squad. Our fire team, I guess. There it is. We're clear here. Listen up. Good eye to me right there.
That is the cocaine right there, man.
Listen, if we leave a building, let's just go in. So,
Hold the truck!
hold the truck.
Yep. 2-2. You want to cover back here? 2-1. Let's move up to the truck line. Keep it post right here. Spread out within there. 2-2. Keep an eye on us. When you see us advance up, follow when they give us the order. Right, guys? Yes, sir.
Woodline behind the red truck.
Yep.
Hey, can we get somebody? Let's shoot up to that. Yeah, 2-2.
Get up there.
Post up to garbage up in there.
Woodline.
Have him cover your truck. Adventure.
Where'd you have contact at? Where'd you have contact at? You got some ahead, man?
Taking fire.
Sounds like it.
Contact on the north side. Okay, you guys, here in a second, these guys get hit, and they're going to try and drag them out. Let's get them and bring them back.
Gotcha.
We'll run them and get them safe and send them back in. If we take one of theirs, one of us is going to go up, okay?
Okay.
Oh. We're going to take the city, guys. Call in on whoever's on channel 6. Call in QRF 1 and, or 2 back.
QRF 2-2, fall back. We're taking the city. QRF 2, fall back.
Fall back, guys. We're taking the city. Let's go.
Go.